Hello guys, and welcome again to this course. I'm happy to be back with you, and today we are not going to talk about HotSuite anymore, but we are going to talk about another tool that might help your Erasmus project when you are sharing and uploading information on the internet. I know that you are curious, and I'm not going to hide the information anymore, so I would like to start talking about Google Analytics. I'm not sure if you have already heard about it, or if it's the first time you hear about this tool, but in my opinion, it's a tool that can be useful when you are implementing your project. And why it can be useful? It can be useful because when you go on Google Analytics, you can follow different sites where you are uploading information. For example, you can keep track of your blog, you can follow your website, and also you can have information about your social networks. And why Google Analytics is useful? Because you can know which type of audience, which type of target, and at the end, which type of users are reading and are going into your website. Imagine that you are running an event for your Erasmus Plus project and you want to know which people is seeing this event. I think the most important thing to do is not only sharing what you are going to share, but also to know who's reading what you are sharing. And why this is important? Because maybe you can think that you are doing a good job and that you are communicating this information for people, but then it comes that you just have 2 readers. So maybe number of visits is an important thing to take into account when you are using Google Analytics. By using this platform from Google, you can also know, for example, the duration of the visits. Do the users only go for 40 seconds into your website? Or do they spend 2 minutes looking for information and reading what you are doing? Also, it's important to know how users have landed into your website. Were they looking something randomly and suddenly they fell in your website? Or were they looking for the information you precisely are sharing with them? With Google Analytics, it's important to take into account the keywords you are using on the website, because at the end, this is what is going to give you the information about how people have searched the information on your website, on your blog, or on your social networks. And some other technical issues that we are not going to extend about is, for example, you can know if people visiting you are more women or men. You can know more or less their ages and their demographical situation. But I think an important thing is showing what Google Analytics is, and in this screen you can see, for example, a dashboard where you can know more or less the statistics of your different websites. As I said, here you got different data and different computer graphics showing how your audience is, which kind of people, which kind of internet users are reading the information you share in your Erasmus Plus project. And I think it's important, and I think it's something we can't forget when we want to take some traffic into our websites, that we need to focus on the keywords about our Erasmus Plus project. For example, if you are doing a youth project in a specific city, it's important to write the name of the city and the name of the country on this website. Why? Because then it's going to be easier for the users looking for information to find your project. Also, it's very important to share some keywords, like, for example, the name of the project and also the topic of the project. Because, for example, if you are doing a project about volunteering, about rural development, or about culture and music, if you don't write these words in your different sites, it's gonna be more complicated for people to find you. Because normally, when people find Erasmus Plus projects, they look for keywords. And if you have written these keywords, search engines such as Google are going to help you to bring these users to your website. So keywords are an important issue that you need to take into account. And also, kind of tip and hint I want to share is that it's important to bold the words you are writing on your site, because Google, for example, as a search engine, is going to put this website in the first positions. I won't explain you anything else about Google Analytics, because I think the best thing is you guys going into it and trying to use this tool and experimenting. As I said, I was not going to explain anything technical about Google Analytics, and I'm going to stop here. I have to say goodbye, and I hope you have enjoyed also this short video, and I hope to see you soon again, and I hope that you have learned a lot. Thank you very much, and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye bye.